Welcome to Beginner English, the podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We're here to help you learn English in a fun and easy way.
Today, we have a special topic. We're talking about English mistakes, the mistakes that everyone makes.
That's right. Even native speakers make these mistakes sometimes.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. It's normal. It's part of learning.
Today, we'll show you 10 common mistakes. We'll explain why they happen, and we'll teach you how to fix them.
Are you ready to learn with us?
Let's start our English journey together.
Mike, let's start with mistake number 1. This is a very common mistake.
Yes, many students say, I have 25 years old, but this is wrong.
In English, we don't have age. We are our age.
The correct way is, I am 25 years old.
Let me show you. Listen to this conversation.
Hello, I have 20 years old. What about you?
Oh, I think you mean I am 20 years old. In English, we say I am with age.
Ah, I am 20 years old. Thank you.
Perfect. Remember, I am plus your age.
You can also say, I am 25, without years old.
Both are correct. I am 25 years old, or just I am 25.
Sarah, what about mistake number 2?
This one is tricky. Many students say, I am going to home.
But home is special in English. We don't use to with home.
The correct way is, I am going home.
Think of it like this. Home is not just a place. It's your place.
Let's practice with a mini story.
Tom, where are you going?
I'm going home. My family is waiting for dinner.
Oh, I'm going home too. Let's walk together.
Did you hear? We said going home, not going to home.
But remember, with other places, we use to, like going to school or going to work.
Home is special, just going home. Mike, let's talk about mistake number 3.
Oh, yes. I am agree with you. This sounds wrong to native speakers.
The verb agree is not used with am, is, or are.
We simply say, I agree with you.
Agree is an action verb, like walk or eat.
You don't say, I am walk or I am eat, right?
Exactly. So we don't say, I am agree.
Let me give you an example.
I think pizza is the best food in the world.
I agree with you. Pizza is amazing.
My friend disagrees. He likes hamburgers more.
Well, everyone has different tastes.
Perfect. I agree and I disagree. Very simple.
Remember, no am, is, or are with agree.
Sarah, this next mistake is very interesting. Yes, students often ask, how do you call this?
This sounds like a translation from another language.
In English, we ask, what do you call this?
Or even simpler, what is this called?
Let me show you the difference.
Teacher, how do you call this thing? Points to pen.
I think you mean, what do you call this? Or what is this called?
Oh, what do you call this?
This is called a pen.
Thank you. What is this called?
That's called a book.
See the pattern? What do you call this? Or what is this called?
Never how do you call this in English. Mike, let's talk about past tense mistakes.
Oh, this is a big one. I didn't knew.
Many students mix up past tense with didn't.
When you use didn't, the main verb stays in present form.
So it's I didn't know, not I didn't knew.
Think about it. Didn't already shows past tense.
The verb after didn't doesn't need to change.
Let's practice.
Why didn't you come to the party yesterday?
I didn't know about the party. Nobody told me.
Oh no, I didn't remember to invite you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I didn't have time anyway.
Listen carefully. Didn't know, didn't remember, didn't have.
All the main verbs stayed in present form after didn't. Sarah, Let's discuss uncountable nouns.
This is confusing for many learners. They say informations with an S.
But information is uncountable in English. No S at the end.
Other examples are advice, furniture, homework.
We don't say advices or furnitures or homeworks.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Teacher, can you give me some informations about the test?
You mean some information. Information doesn't have plural form.
Oh, can you give me some information about the test?
Sure. Here's some helpful information. Also, here's some advice for studying.
Thank you for the advice.
Good. Some information and some advice.
If you want to count these things, use words like pieces of information or pieces of advice.
Mike, this mistake is really funny sometimes.
Yes, students say, I am boring when they mean something else.
I am boring means you make other people feel bored. But usually students want to say, I am bored.
I am bored means you feel bored. You want something interesting to do.
Let me explain with examples. This movie is so long and boring.
I agree. I am bored. Let's watch something else.
Good idea. I don't want to be boring and watch this all night.
Did you hear the difference?
I am bored equals I feel bored. I am boring means I make other people feel bored.
Other examples. Interested versus interesting. Excited versus exciting.
Sarah, let's talk about for and since. This is a tricky one. Students say since 5 years.
But we use for with periods of time.
Since is for specific starting points in time.
So it's, I have been in London for 5 years.
Or I have been in London since 2019.
Let's practice. How long have you studied English?
I have studied English for 3 years.
When did you start?
I started in 2021, so I have studied since 2021.
Perfect. For 3 years and since 2021.
For equals length of time, since equals starting point.
I paint is difficult.
Yes, students say good in English, but it should be good at English.
We use at with skills and subjects.
Good at English, good at math, good at cooking.
Let's see some examples. Are you good at playing guitar?
I'm getting better. I'm good at reading music, but I'm not very good at playing fast songs yet.
That's okay. I'm terrible at music, but I'm good at sports.
Really? What sports are you good at?
I'm good at tennis and swimming.
Remember, good at for abilities and skills.
Not good in for skills. Sarah, our last mistake is about sentence structure.
Students often say, I want that you come to the party.
This comes from other languages, but it's wrong in English.
In English, we say, I want you to come to the party.
We don't use that in this structure.
The pattern is I want plus person plus to plus verb.
Let's practice with a role play.
I want you to clean your room before dinner.
But Mom, I want to play video games first.
I need you to do your homework too.
Okay, I want you to help me with math.
Of course, I'd love to help you.
Did you hear? I want you to clean. I want to play. I need you to do. Know that in these sentences.
Mike, we've covered 10 big mistakes today.
That's right. But remember, everyone makes mistakes.
Making mistakes is how we learn. Don't be afraid.
Native speakers make mistakes too. Even we do.
The important thing is to keep practicing.
Listen to English every day, even for 5 minutes.
Try to use these correct forms when you speak.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just try your best.
Your English will get better day by day.
We believe in you.
Let's quickly review our 10 mistakes.
Number 1, say, I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years old.
Number 2, say, I am going home, not I am going to home.
Number 3, say I agree with you, not I am agree with you.
Number 4, ask, what do you call this? Not, how do you call this?
Number 5, say I didn't know, not I didn't knew.
Number 6, say information and advice, not informations or advices.
Number 7, I am bored means you feel bored. I am boring means you make others bored.
Number 8, use for with time periods and since with starting points.
Number 9, say good at English, not good in English.
Number 10, say I want you to come and not I want that you come.
That's all for today's episode.
Remember to practice a little bit every day.
Choose 1 or 2 of these mistakes and focus on them this week.
Don't try to fix everything at once. Take it step by step.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast.
Share it with your friends who are learning English too.
We love hearing from you. Send us your questions.
Tell us what mistakes you want to learn about next.
Until next time, keep practicing your English.
You're doing great. We're proud of you.
This is Mike
And Sarah.
from Beginner English, the podcast.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.